NLP, natural language processing. This is another big area into the AI. So AI, one of the branch of AI is NLP, because if you see that nowadays we have to deal with the text too much. We have like social media, we have other processing agents over there. So text is everywhere, and text is not like little, but it's too much, like in a form of the big data as well. So structuring a collection of text is important. Old approach is bags of words. Okay, the people were thinking it just like a bag of words, but the new approach is it's a natural language. We need to process the each and every words over there. So it's not just like a bag of words. NLP is very much important concept in text mining. So it's and a subfield of our AI. So as I told you, that's the subfield of AI and computational linguistics over there. And the studies of understanding the natural human language is important, and how you understand the human language. Before, if a few years ago, if you have translated the Google Translator, it was not that much accurate, but nowadays it is going for more accuracy over there, and it gives you some good results over there. So Google Translator is one of the best example of NLP, natural language processing. And we have like syntax versus semantics based text mining. So there are two kind of text mining. One is called syntax. Syntax means you are checking the grammar. Sometimes grammar is okay, but the meaning is not okay. You cannot understand what does this sentence means over there. So subject, verb, and object. So these are all the part of the sentences, but might be the sentence is okay, the grammar is okay, but the meaning is not okay. So syntax is depending on the grammar, and semantics upon the meaning of the sentences, what the meaning and idea it gives. So what is understanding? So human understands. Okay, what about computers? So do you think computer understand more or the human understands more? Yes.
Human actually understands.
Humans like intelligent, but like in computation, who is more faster? Human is more faster or computer is more faster in computation?
Computer is more faster.
Yeah, computer is more faster. It can calculate, it can compute as many as big numbers, like in the twinkling of an eye. Okay, but for human, computation might be like he's slower, but in rational thinking, in heuristics, in understanding, human is more. Computer is a dummy device. You need to teach the computer. So since natural language is vague, sometimes one sentence have different meanings with respect to the context over there. Okay. So like since in your own language in Arabic, one sentence have different meanings in different contexts over there. So the computer will understand it in a wrong way over there. Okay. So so how to make it like more perfect, so that computer can think like a human. So this is called context driven. Why? Because you need to tell the computer that if this sentence comes in this context, it means this. If the same sentence comes in the different context, it means different over there, right? So true understanding requires extensive knowledge of a topic. Okay, so for example, it means you have to give different scenarios to the computer that of different context over there. Since human mind knows the context, and human mind can easily analyze the context over there, but like the computer, you have to make them more understanding over there. So the question from the book, they say that can or will computers ever understand natural language the same accurate way we do? We scientists are doing their best, but still it needs like more effort over there. One of the important thing is that computer can like understand many languages. For example, if you want to translate one sentence into the German or to the Chinese or Japanese, they can do it for you. But the human is like, there is like limitation for a human. A human can learn like 5 languages, 6 languages, or maximum 10 languages. Okay, or if there's any a very intelligent person, he can learn like 23 languages. Let's suppose as per the record I know. So, but like computer, they have the capabilities over there. So computationally, it is very good. Challenges in NLP. What are the challenges? Part of speech tagging. Okay, part of speech tagging means verb, subject, and object. So in English, we have like subject we bring it first. For example, he is eating an apple. Say, so he is in a subject, eating is in a verb, and apple is in a object over there. Okay, but in maybe in Arabic there is not the structure is different. Maybe you don't put the subject before, or sometimes you omit the subject. Okay, so what do you call in Arabic? I'm eating an apple. Yeah, what is the translation of that one?
I'm eating
An apple.
أكلت تفاحة.
See, so is there any subject? Subject is not first. See over here, kalto. So means like the verb is first and then subject and then object. See, the structure is taking is different over there. But in English, the subject come first. Okay. So like for example, like say ana kalto tofa. So it is different. See. So in this is called part of speech tagging over there. So how you can fix the verb, subject, and objects over there. So every language, whether it's a Chinese or German or like French, so every language they have different taggings of the part of speech. This is called part of speech over there. The second is called text segmentation. Okay, how you gonna divide the text over there? How you gonna divide in different parts over there? Word sense disambiguation, like different words have different senses in different contexts over there, right? So sometimes one word gives one meaning in one context, sometimes it gives different meaning in other contexts. Syntax ambiguity. Syntax ambiguity means the grammar, okay, the grammar of a language over there. Imperfect or irregular input. Sometimes your input is not according to the grammar over there. And speech acts, okay. Sometimes what is the action of that specific words over there? So these are the challenges of NLP that they are facing, how to handle these kind of situations over there. The dream of AI community is to have algorithms that are capable of automatically reading and obtaining knowledge from the text. This is the dream, that whatever the computer reads, they should understand, analyze, and give us the answer over there. For example, I have given you, for example, if I give you one research article to read it and give me a summary of that one, okay? So if you read that article, okay, and if you give me the, so it takes you, for example, like 3 or 4 hours to read that article, okay? One article with 10 pages. But if you give it computer, it will just take like few seconds to read that articles over there and give you summary over there. See, so like computer is like in computation is so fast over there. But for a human, it takes time, like 2 or 3 hours to read that article and to write the summary. But for computer, if I train the computer, it can read the article in just few seconds over there, okay, or maybe in a microseconds, the full article, 10 pages or many, and then it can give you the summary of that one, okay, of different part of it. This is the dream of the AI community. There are some softwares available. If you want to try, you can try that softwares, like we have WordNet, we have it, okay. We have like WordNet is one of the software. It is laboriously hand-coded database for English words. So it has all English words almostly, and you will like it if you use it. Their definition, they have it. Set of synonyms, they have it, and various semantics relation between the synonym sets over there. And it's a major source of NLP. So if you want to do research on English language, so you can use this WordNet over there. And need automation to be completed. Yeah. The second database is about sentiment analysis. Like what do you call sentiment in Arabic? Sentiment. Do you have specific words for in Arabic? Sentiments analysis means like feelings, we call it. I don't know what is proper word in Arabic. So sentiment.
عاطفة أو رأي.
Okay, so it's a new word for me. First time I heard. Okay, so atifa aura. Okay, So sentiment analysis means like to analyze the feelings of the people, what the people are thinking about. For example, in social media, if for example, if there is a lockdown coming, so what the people are thinking about it. If for example, if there is a new election in America, what is the sentiments of the people over there. If there is like for example, taxes increase, what is the sentiments of the people. Okay, so like you can analyze in a specific area, specific political or non-political or economical sentiments of the people, by this way. So it's a technique used to detect favorable and unfavorable. So you can categorize that a new policy, if your company put a new policies, okay, so you can see what is the sentiments of your employees, whether they like it or they don't like. So you will see the favorable and unfavorable. So you have to sense, your computer need to sense, some people say good, some say bad, good, bad, not good, cruel, not cruel. So these kind of specific words you have to detect from it. Okay, so detect favorable and unfavorable opinions towards specific product or service. So in a different product, a new product is launched, let's suppose. Okay, so what is the people's sentiments over there? You can feel, you can improve or your products accordingly. And the different services. Okay, if there is like new service like Uber service, you have a Kareem service. So what are the response of the people according to it? Okay, so it has a database as well about these different kind of feelings we have. It's called Senti word network for that. So what are the categories for NLP? We have it. We have like information retrieval. We have information extraction, named entity recognition, question answering, and automatic summarizations over there. Natural language generation and understanding, machine learning. We have it. Foreign language reading and writing. Other languages we have it. Speech recognition. How to recognize the speech is also very important. Just like sometimes you don't want to type something, you just want to say, and in the Google, so you can also say it and it will be translated into the text over there. So this is called speech recognition. Or recognizing the person voice as well, to be authentication. It can also be used for security. And then we have text proofing. Like for example, if you want to proofread. Okay, have you used the grammarly.com in your for your assignments or other things? Grammarly.com.
Yes.
Yeah, you have. So yeah, so text, this is very good for text proofing. It gives you the mistakes in grammar, words, spelling, everything. So it gives and it's free as well. I guess for a certain level it's free. uh, they have also premium products as well, but like text proofing is also Grammarly, they are using in natural language processing. Optical character recognition, like ORC, we have it. In special markets, the tags can be easily, the QR codes. These are the different text NLP categories we have it.